Alright, I'm at the front door. Probably not a good idea. With the amount of water and wind that's going on here, I have never, ever, this is hurricane or above. They said we had a tornado on the ground. This is bad. This is really bad. Holy crap. Holy crap. The trees are just getting ripped around. Everything's getting soaked. We got thunder. We got lightning. It's just ripping. Square's flooding. My God. People are still out. Oh my God, this is incredible. They just said it was in South Yarmouth. Wow. It's obviously hit the back of the house.